Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Ionos hosting. First, go to your Ionos website and sign in using your customer account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Hosting. Here, you'll manage your web hosting. Click on Use Web Space. Then, click the Upload button in the upper left corner. Now, select your website files and upload them to your hosting space. Once that's done, go back to the dashboard, then click on Domains and SSL. We'll now set up your SSL certificate. Setting up an SSL certificate is important because it encrypts the connection between your site and its visitors, keeping data safe. Now, click the Manage button under the SSL Certificates section. Then, choose Set up SSL Certificates. Here, you'll see different SSL options. You can select the first one. It's free. Just click Activate Now. Next, choose the domain you want to secure. For change usage, select Use for Ionos website. Agree to the terms, then click Set up SSL Certificate. And that's it. Your SSL is now active and your website is both hosted and secured. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.